Hello, this is Shark. Today we are looking at Lgln Gas Limited. Yes, this is what you're seeing. Comparison to the all share index, which you are seeing here, the gray worm, which is around here. Okay, so the share has been underperforming compared to the all share index. The chart which you are seeing here is on weekly closing basis. This is the 5-year history here. You have the MACD and the RSI. RSI is around 50, so it's almost like neutral. And of course you have the MACD sitting on an interesting position as we speak. You have the lowest here, the last low, the significant lower I'm talking about, and you have a high point of around 44.70, which you're seeing here. Okay, and I have drawn up the trend channel, which we are seeing somewhat bullish on an uptrend. Well, also you are seeing here the moving average, which is in parallel to the lower trend channel, the upper trend channel, which is connecting the tip of the tops here, the 2 points. Now what is interesting here is the Fibonacci tool, how I have placed here. If you see here now, for example, this is the first lower point, the significant lower. Okay, you see the correction completed around 50%, around 37.50, and you saw moving up. Now if we look at the same, if I extend the if I extend it here, have a look. Okay, we are seeing this completing the 50% here. Okay, so still it's completing here like the 50% here. So probable, going by the previous price actions, we could see a maximum of around 38.20 should the overall sentiment do not change in the weeks ahead. So we should see something bouncing off around this as a support, which would be acceptable if we are to entertain some bullish sentiments on the Lgln gas. Of course, the price reduction for the domestic gas cylinder is in the back of everyone's mind. So we don't know how this could play out in the weeks ahead. Anyhow, we are looking at around 38.30, and should this become liquid, we could see probable around 36.50 as the next reversal point. So that's what I'm looking at for Lgln gas. So we are looking at 2 levels here. The 50% correction did not test this time. This is the last candle. So we should be looking around a maximum of around 36.50, and then we should see start moving ahead of around. Let me draw the arrow to depict it. So possible, these are possible levels to retest here. Okay, or we could see something from here to move. So this is how I'm looking at. These are 2 levels that I'm looking at for this particular share. So anybody or anyone who is interested in Lgln voting share, can place their buy orders around 36.80 and 38.20 in small lots to ensure that they spread their risk, and we could target around 45 as our level. So should this complete around here, we are looking for a target of around 38 to 45 in the proximity of around at least this time to hit the these levels, 50 plus levels. So should these start reversing, we can look, or we can target around let's say we could target of close to 50 levels. Okay, so of course we might find some kind of a resistance coming here on the top line of this channel. So we could see some kind of a pullback and then move ahead over this. So an ideal scenario would be, second, let me have a look. So once it breaks out, we could see something here as a support and then start hitting the 50ish level. So this is the I think this would be much clearer for you. This is the chart that we are seeing, and if you want to have a look, change the view, we are looking, this is the daily candle. So we are talking about this. Okay, so that's it. I think I have shown the future direction of the share. We are looking at couple of levels. I prefer the 61.8, which is stronger correction, a reversal point for people interested on LAF gas. මං සිංහලෙන් මේක සමරයිස් කරලා කියන්නම්. අපිට පේනවා මෙතන ට්‍රෙන්ඩ් channel එක මේ price එක යම් කිසි දෝලනයක් අපි දකිනවා මේ channel එක ඇතුළත price එක දැනට රුපියල් 39 තියෙන්නේ. correction එක complete වෙන්න පුළුවන් 38.30 එහෙමත් නැත්නම් 36.70 අතර. extreme correction එකක් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. ගොඩක් දුරට මම ඒ වුණත් මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන විදිහට මේ zone එක අතර reversal එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. so කවුරු හරි interested නම් මේ share එක purchase කරන්න, and that අපිට පුළුවන් buy orders දෙකක් place කරන්න. එකක් 38.20 අතර, ඒ වගේම 36.70 අතර. මේ දෙක අතර price එකට buy orders place කරලා small lots වලින් target කරන්න පුළුවන් අඩුම ගානේ 45න් උඩ resistance දෙකක් හැටියට එනවා නම් එන්නේ 47. පසුව යම් කිසි correction එකක් ඇවිත් නැවතත් 50 අපිට target කරන්න පුළුවන් LGL voting share. So until I see on another YouTube video, this is Shark signing off.